Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to share one platform where you can create mind map quickly and correctly. So you can see here there are 4 options. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. The first one is a blank mind map. You can begin with an empty mind map, or simply you can paste the text here and you can create mind map. If you want to make a mind map just from the topic, it is also possible here. And similarly, you can also import a file and create mind map. So let's try this. First of all, I would like to start with from the topic. So I'm going to click a topic here. So I wrote here transverse and longitudinal waves. Let me write a prompt to make my mind map more specific. So I wrote here according to the IGCSE physics curriculum. Let me try to create. Just click here. There is no login needed. Nothing is required, and you can see here an amazing mind map has been generated. Wow, and look at very carefully, it covers all the components which is required for IGCSE curriculum. You can click any of the part, you can change, edit, you can talk with AI, and you can add more branches or edit this mind map. This is really easy, simple and amazing. You can just export as an image or as a PDF or as a Word by just clicking it. Let me create a PDF from this. So you can see here a mind map has been created in PDF form. Similarly, you can create a mind map by just typing a text or pasting a text. Let me try this also. Let me paste a text here. I pasted one random paragraph about diffusion and osmosis. Let me try to click create. And now you can see with the help of the given text, this AI platform has generated a mind map. You can add some pictures, you can add emojis, you can change the colors and so on. So it's very easy, fun and amazing, especially for teachers who wants to create mind maps for their students. So I tried and found it amazingly useful. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.